back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another video for you all, and this time we're doing a blush pink Easter porch makeover. I hope you enjoy.
Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right?
So guys, this was the current state of my front porch as you enter my front door. Now, a few years ago, you would have seen me do this stencil, and as much as I loved it, it definitely had some wear and tear, and I wanted to give it a beautiful blush pink makeover.
There was nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
So I had this gorgeous blush pink colour, guys. You've seen me use this colour quite a few times throughout my home. It's actually a colour match of a cup that I had in my home. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the entire area with 2 coats. So I recently picked up a larger stencil, guys, from Temu. They come in a pack of 4 and it was the perfect touch for what I had in mind.
We should start living now.
Now you'll see here that I'm using a roller as well as an old makeup brush. I found the makeup brush come in real handy, guys, to get in each corner as I progressed along. And the key also is to not have too much paint to prevent bleeding.
I wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here.
I was absolutely in love with how this came, guys. I was so excited. I got this matte varnish from Spotlight and I sprayed it over the top, giving it 2 coats. So once it was dry, it's now time for the fun part of decorating. I have these planters from a few years ago from TK Maxx, and I filled them with my favourite flowers and these little Easter egg picks. Now from the reject shop this year, I picked up these adorable Easter egg garden stakes, and I'm just going to place one behind each of the planters. Now on the left hand side of my entryway, I have this adorable barn door, and I love to add a different wreath for each season. Now I had this packet of Easter eggs as well as this adorable little sign. I picked this sign up from the reject shop last year, and taking my existing wreath, I've just placed that over the top and added 2 of the little eggs above it. Now on the opposite side, I have this little table and I've added another little wreath. It's actually a garland that I put around the table, and then I added some more of my Easter decor.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason.
Now guys, one of the things you'll notice is we also changed out our lock and handle to our door, and I absolutely love this color brass, guys. It just went perfect with my blue door.
Sharp and making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron. Sharp and making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know I'll be alright. He's gonna challenge me to be the best I can be, and to give back to those who need it. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like I am. Sharp and making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like I am. Sharp and making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing an Easter blush pink porch makeover. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back next week for more videos here at Chell's Glam Home.
Calling me higher.